then I got some Thai dragon fruit. Oh, okay.
Beautiful.
It's white. Some of them are purple, but this one is white, obviously. I'll just try this. Ooh, kind of, it's juicy. It's kind of sour, kind of sweet, like I want to say like a tangerine, but it doesn't taste like tangerine.
Oh, this one. What is one? Is white inside, huh?
Yeah.
Interesting.
When you bite into it, it's kind of sour.
Oh, very mild flavor.
I think it's very similar to
It's
he's right.
But not as a hardness.
It's juicy.